everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Plymouth Satellite convertible. Great car, guys. Factory color combination. PP1, which is a Chrysler bright red. It's got the factory black vinyl interior in it. Car's only got, I think it's 67,000 original miles on it. This car actually, it was a buddy of mine's dad's car. But now, this car was a one family owned car up until 2 years ago. They found it out down in Pennsylvania. A gentleman had bought this car new, had it ever since. He had passed away, and they went and bought the car out in PA. But great car. The original engine is gone. It's got a 67 date coated, mild built 3D3 in there now, which has very few miles on it, guys. Again, factory red car, factory black vinyl interior. Nice car. There is some stuff you can nitpick on it. It's an older paint, so as I walk around it, I'll try to show you everything that I see. But like I say, you can definitely nitpick the paint. You can see it's got the original trim, so there's some little dings in it. You know, you can see some touch-up marks. Looks like it's got the original bumpers. They show a little wear. One thing I will tell you about this car, great running and driving car. Really hits the road nice. Pretty paint, definitely not perfect paint. Driver quality paint is what I would say. But again, a car that's not probably going to be priced outrageously. You can see it's got a few little marks in the windshield. Dash is nice, it's original. A lot of this interior is actually original. Bucket seats console. I've ordered new floor mats for it, so it'll have the satellite floor mats. Original boot for it. It's got the black convertible top. We'll pull that up for you. You see some things like this. You see touch-up marks on it. Again, some of the trim's got some marks on it. It's definitely not a perfect car, but again, turn the key and go cruise it and have some fun. Very nice running and driving car, but I don't want you to think you're getting a show paint. Car straight down the sides, got Magnum 500s all the way around it, Cooper Cobra white letter tires. Again, looks like the original bumper in the rear, showing just a little bit of wear. Car is nice and flat down the sides. I believe it's got all the original body panels. You can see a couple little touch-up marks down by the door edge. Again, I'm not trying to pick the car apart, but I want you to know what you're getting. I've actually got a lot more people actually asking for stuff like this, because again, it's not $50,000. They have converted it to front disc brakes, so it's definitely in a price range that, you know, you can drive them, have some fun with them, and not break the bank. Again, good running 383, guys. 67 date coated engine, mild cam to it, Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock Performer intake in it. Does have headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got upgraded to electronic ignition. You can see the Mopar Performance valve covers and air cleaner. Mopar radiator with a shroud. It's got your original certi-card is still in here. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. The original owner's manuals are in the glove box. And like I say, a good car. If you're looking for something to drive, yeah, you guys can start doing that. If you're looking for something to drive, this car hits the road great. That's the one thing my buddy said, is that this is a good running and driving car. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. You can see your A-pillar chrome is really nice. I believe it's got all the original glass except for the front windshield. They've definitely replaced those. Those look new. Again, factory black interior. I think these are original. Bucket seats, console. Again, I've ordered the satellite embroidered floor mats for it. Power top. Looks like it's got all the original seat belts in it. Factory dash. 67,038 miles on it. Factory AM radio. You can see looks like all your interior lights work. It's got brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. Factory 8 3/4, probably like a 300 gear. I believe this is your original paint in the jam here. This right here, I believe, is original. And again, under there, I believe that's your original Chrysler bright red. Now they have spackle coated the trunk. It's got does have the jack in here. Again, car's clean underneath. Got you some pictures of the floors. Good car. Seats are nice. Again, there's your original radio instructions and owner's manuals. Dash is nice and clean. Steering wheel looks good. Door handles look real good. Again, dual chrome mirrors, which is pretty cool. Good sounding 3-3, guys. Nice little cam to it. Got a nasty sound to it. It's your it's got the fender mount turn signals. Those all work. We have to check that fuel gauge. I thought that fuel gauge was working. It's not that low on gas, is it? Our sound's mean as heck. I think it does power up. Yep, it works. Works. Blower motor works. Oh, we should have put the top up. It's got the plastic rear window. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way I get a notification every time I post a new video. That's a good looking car, man.